I just got our order in from Action Engineering. Let's open the box and see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got here. Just kind of want to show you guys what we got, and let's see how they pack everything up. Nicely packed. I mean, they're aluminum pallets. How well they still need to pack them. And here we are. Here are the pallets. Looks like some pretty thick aluminum, and it does have rubber on it. So we ended up ordering 4 of these guys because our press does have the double index feature, so we can load 4 of these things on and either do sleeves or youth, or actually youth, infant, whatever the case may be, whatever won't fit on our standard pallets. So nice. So I think these things will work out great for our needs, and it does have the edge beveled here, so that way your shirts will not get caught. And they look pretty nice. They got some weight to them. They seem pretty solid, but let's go ahead and toss one of these on the press just to make sure it fits. Hey, what do you know? That doesn't fit. Well, they're nice, but they don't fit, so either gonna have to send them back or see if I can't find a machinist to machine the brackets down so these things fit. What can you do? Well, it is another day. Unfortunately, I did have to send the Action Engineering Pallets back because the brackets are completely different for these older presses, and they no longer have the extrusion tool to make a bracket that will work with the press that we do have. And then I contacted Workhorse as well, and they no longer make those brackets. I'm going to give them a call and see if they do still have completed pallets in stock. We'll end up spending a lot more money to get those pallets, or if any of you guys out there are selling youth and sleeve platens, let me know. Let me know how much you want for them. Otherwise, I'm going to put some ads up, see if I can't find some new, some used ones. I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm a little bummed out, but hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.